everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's tutorial, I have picked a song which is much in trend on social media, mostly on Instagram. The song is Jhoom by Ali Zafar. It's a beautiful song. The chords are very simple. Girls and boys दोनों same scale पे play कर सकते हैं, which is on B minor by placing the capo on the second fret. Before stepping into this tutorial, let me remind you about our recent series which is Hits of Udit Narayan ji. We have covered 3 tutorials. I'll drop all the links in the description box below. You may check out. Also, you can easily access all the notes related to these tutorials on our website which is www.priyadhingra.com. I'll drop the link for the website too in the description box. Also, I would like to give you an important update that our live beginner guitar sessions are going to start from the first week of July 2022. You can visit our website www.priyadhingra.com, book your slot and you are good to go to join our live classes. Now, without any further ado, let us begin with today's tutorial. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also so that you can get all the notifications and updates for the upcoming tutorials. Let's start now. The original scale for this song is B minor, but you can place the capo on the second fret and you will play the chords A minor, C major, F major, G major. Either you can play G major like this in the shape of F major. This is F major. F major को आप 2 frets आगे लेके जाओगे and this becomes G major. Also you can play G major like this. Next chord is E minor and D minor. तो क्या chords हो गई? A minor, F major, C major, G major, E minor and D minor. For this song, boys and girls दोनों same scale पे play कर सकते हैं. So you don't have to make any changes with the scale. Or if you don't have a capo, then you can remove the capo and you can play the same chords A minor, F major, C major, G major, E minor and D minor. Now the strumming pattern for the song is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. इस रिदम को आपको हाफ करके प्ले करना है बिटवीन 2 कॉर्ड्स. सबसे पहले हम हाफ रिदम करेंगे बिटवीन C मेजर एंड F मेजर. यू विल स्टार्ट द रिदम फ्रॉम C मेजर, डाउन, डाउन एंड चेंज, अप, 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 डाउन, अप, डाउन, अप, डाउन, डाउन, चेंज, अप, 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 डाउन, अप, डाउन, अप. मैंने तुझे देखा. नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट यू विल डू हाफ रिदम बिटवीन E माइनर एंड A माइनर. मैंने तुझे देखा हंसते हुए गालों में. So down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. This is how you will have to play half rhythm between every 2 chords. Let's move on to the song now. मैंने तुझे देखा हंसते हुए गालों में, बेहज़र ख्यालों में, हुस्न के हवालों में, सोने के बालों में, मोरने की चालों में, मट्टी के प्यालों में, I hope you like the song. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. Also, you can post your short covers and short videos on my Facebook community page, which is Music Ki Pathshala, or on my Instagram handle, which is Dhingraji. The links are mentioned below. You may check out. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. I shall see you soon in the next tutorial. You all take care. Bye.
जितनी तू मिलती जाए उतनी लगे थोड़ी थोड़ी, जब भी तुले अंगड़ाई आके मेरे ओरी, ये दिल झूम झूम चले, झूम झूम चले सोहणिया सोहणिया, के दिल झूम झूम चले, झूम झूम चले सोहणिया।